Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube unboxing episode. And for today's YouTube unboxing episode, that's right, you see it right there. I got the Bosch 2-tool 18-volt brushless power tool combo kit with soft case, 2 batteries included, and charger. What it is, it's a brushless 18-volt combo kit, includes 2-tool impact driver and hammer drill for power with 2 slim pack, which is the batteries. Half driver, half wrench Freak features a 1x4 inch quick change hex shank and a 1x2 inch square drive for either powerful hammer drill driving design made with a brushless motor to deliver runtime and power for tough jobs. And basically it comes with this nice bag that's industrial, the charger, the 2 batteries, the impact driver, and the hammer drill. And it also came, because it was a Father's Day gift, it also came with the Bosch set high-speed steel hex shank screwdriver bit set 91 piece. It's wide section of bits featuring both driver bits and drill bits and more, featuring solution driver bits, handle general purpose tasks and heavy and industrial duty tasks, drilling solutions for most materials, varieties of drill bits work in materials such as wood, metal, masonry, cement, concrete, steel, aluminum, titanium, and much more. And so basically the Bosch drill bit set is $39.95, but I got it free. And the Bosch 2-in-1 drill bit that drills with impact driver and everything was $179. So for $170, it was like a Father's Day thing they had at Lowe's. And I was replacing, I don't know if you remember, on one of my older episodes, maybe 2 years ago, I did the Hercules unboxing of the Hercules impact driver. That impact drill didn't last long, so I wanted something better this time. So I was watching YouTube episodes and reviews, and I heard that Bosch is good because it's a German company. But anyways, enough with the talking. Let's get with the unboxing. I guess when we do these Father's Day sales, you get everything cheaper and you get free gifts and stuff. So that's why it's always good. I'm not a father though, but I'm just saying, you get these good deals. Oh no, yeah. You could tell I'm wearing my Ferrari jacket because it's cold in the house right now. Okay, let's put that to the floor. And basically this is, well, this is actually open, not open, but you can see that this thing is not supposed to be there. But, yeah. Not bad. Oh wow. You get all this. This is nice. Look at everything you get. Oh, and this is so cool. You get like a screwdriver type of thing to put your drill bits and stuff. That's really nice of Bosch, the company. You know, they go out of their way to do this type of cool stuff. And then you've got this that's magnetic for picking up magnetic stuff. That's pretty cool, and it even has their logo right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it says Bosch. Okay. Just letting you know that these titanium ones are, yeah, those drill bits are titanium. And let's get with the real deal. Oh ho! Whoa, whoa, whoa! It's a sticker that says Bosch Original. Here's this nice bag. This is Bosch. Nice. The zipper and everything. Over here we get a bunch of not pamphlets, more like instruction guides. Batteries, type of information, the information for the operating the charger, different languages, operating safety instructions again, and this would be, I guess, for, whoa, what the heck is this? I guess this is a protection plan or something. I'll have to look into it, read that later. Here we have, oh, that's pretty cool. This is like you could use this as a poster guide. Look at all the tools they have from Bosch. It's kind of like a mini catalog. I'm gonna read that later. Here would be a serial number. I don't know what that's doing there. All right, here you have one of the clip-ons that you would put onto your drill bit or impact driver to keep it on your belt. Here you have, oh wow, that's pretty cool. Look what they also give you for free, as a free gift. They give you drill bits, a drill bit set. The best case for organization, free clip included. Wow, that's pretty cool. Hardened to the core. 10x life. Kind of like, no, I wouldn't say a sample, but that's pretty cool. There you go. You get like this impact resistant drill, small little drill bit set here, 1, 2, 3, 4, which I'm surprised. This one over here doesn't have that. That's weird. I guess this is the normal set. Anyways, this is what I saw people reviewing online. These right here, and Matika and Milwaukee and DeWalt has these types also now that are impact resistant or something. I forgot how the material works, but anyways, I have them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm surprised they didn't give me they gave me the Phillips and these, but they didn't give me the flathead, which is funny. Oh well. Oh, here's the other belt clip. Here is the Bosch battery charger. Here's the other serial number thing. And here it is. Has light on the bottom that retracts up, but I bought myself a shop light anyways, a squared rechargeable one that is charging now, so I'm not gonna bring it back. Here you would have your different settings. And then here you have your variable speeds. This one actually goes up to 20 as opposed to my Hercules didn't do that. And it's HD, and it says, it's brushless motor. So let me see where. I'm not sure where it has it, but and these are supposed to come with straps, but I don't see the straps anywhere. So yeah. And here it tells you the battery level, which I love. I saw this online on a YouTube video, and I thought it was fantastic. It's 18-volt lithium battery 2.0. You push this button right here, releases. See, this one does have a strap, while the other one doesn't. How strange. And this one has EC Brushless motor as well, and it's HD. And it has the light on the bottom. Basically, this right here is so you don't burn your fingers off. Apparently, yeah, that one has it too. But this one has it also here. And what's interesting about this is this. You can grab any one of these type of sockets. they lock into place. And now you're using a Phillips on an impact driver. Now, I don't recommend you using this as a impact hammer drill, because this is, you know, a socket impact driver. This is more for taking out caps from a wheel or for removing a wheel. So technically, if you have, I wouldn't say if you have a flat tire, you should do it yourself. Call a tow truck, but you know, lift that up again, and boom, it's there in your hand. You have your different sides here. Of course, this is not a hammer drill, so it doesn't have variable speeds or nothing, but it is what it is. What I'm trying to see here is, where's the brushless motor thing? I don't know. Bosch Professional is what it says here. Unlike the other one, you push this lever right here, and there goes the battery. And the model for this one is right here, so if you guys want to see it. And the model for this one is right here as well, if you want to see it. And so, if you guys want to see the model for this one, I think the model for this one is this right here. Anyways, guys, wow, this is the longest YouTube video I've ever done. That was the unboxing of all this glorious stuff from Bosch at a Father's Day sale at Lowe's. Thank you for watching. Always remember to like, share, and subscribe. And see you on the next one, because recently I'm going to be having a lot of unboxings. So see you on the next one.